Your thoughts are one of the most powerful tools of creation, as whatever you think becomes reality. For most people, this isn't an obvious thing, but every thought, feeling, and intention you communicate to the universe manifests into existence. This video will unveil to you one of the most powerful concepts you'll ever discover when it comes to manifesting and creating the life you desire. And if you can understand what's being communicated here, your life will transform right away. So, let me ask you a question. Have you ever made a wish? Maybe something like a new car, or maybe your wish was to become rich. How many times have you said, "I want to be happy, I want to be successful," or "I want to find a girlfriend or a boyfriend," and then your wish was hardly fulfilled? Let me answer that question for you. Never. Every single time you asked the universe for something, every time you communicated your intention to it, the universe manifested your wish into existence, even though from your limited perception, that didn't happen. Let me explain. You see, we all have the ability to manifest almost anything we like into reality. Although you believe that's not the case because life has always shown you the exact opposite. So, with that said, do you want to know what's the real problem here? Do you want to know why it always seemed to you the universe has failed to grant your wishes? Well, it is much simpler than you can imagine, as the real problem is knowing how to ask the right way, as well as knowing how to communicate the correct intention to the universe. Each time you tell the universe, "I want that," or "I want that," the universe gives you exactly what you want, which in this case will be your experience of wanting a thing. You are communicating that you want it, you lack it, you desire it, that you do not have it. Thus, this is the experience you are creating. Did you get that? If you were to change the "I want" with "I am," instead of saying "I want to be successful, I want to be rich, I want to be helpful," but "I am successful, I am rich, I am healthy, happy," and so on, the universe will instantly match your reality with your thoughts because this is what you are communicating. This is all about matching frequencies. It's all about having the right thoughts and attitude. If you find yourself desiring a thing, then it makes perfect sense not to currently have it because you want it. Thus, the experience of wanting is what's being created for you. The reality as you perceive it is nothing but a mirror of your mind, thoughts, and beliefs. In short, you have been constructing your own experience without you even knowing it. And now it is time for you to start building a better one. Your self-image, the thoughts you carry around, and most importantly, your beliefs, all of these contribute and play a major role towards the kind of experience you are creating for yourself. On a physical level, the universe is made out of matter, and that matter is made out of energy. To manifest your wishes, all you need to do is tap into the right energy that will then become matter. And the only way to do that is by changing your self-image, thoughts, beliefs, and your intentions. This is what's going to bring in your life the things you desire. The reason I wanted to create this video is to point out to you the right way to make a wish and how to have it manifested into the physical world. Do not communicate to the universe the fact that you want it, because that means you lack it in your life. Thus, lacking that thing is what you'll experience. For a wish to become true, all you need to do is to assume it's already fulfilled. Be grateful for it, show gratitude to the universe in advance for making it happen, and see yourself already in its possession. That way, you can create and experience the thing you desire in the present moment. Remember, I am is the most powerful tool for attracting and creating anything you want in your life, and that is what's going to put you in the right vibration. If you were to affirm to yourself every day that you are successful, you are rich, happy, and joyful, then that would be the experience you'll be creating. Start seeing yourself as the person you wish to be. Believe you are already there, and the universe will manifest that into reality. Please like this video if you find this information valuable and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this in the future. The purpose of this channel is to point you to all sorts of different concepts that will ultimately lead you to living a better, more fulfilled, and joyful life. The purpose of these videos isn't to give you a magic key that will radically improve and transform your life overnight. This is a catalog of ideas that must be deeply studied and investigated if you want to see real-life results. The whole point of these videos is to make yourself curious enough to motivate yourself and to supply to you a large variety of resources so that you'll have everything you need to embark on this journey. The forum is specially designed for those of you who still want to learn more, where we can discuss in more depth about these concepts. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next episode.